how to rotate blocks in Block Blast. So I'll explain why some people have this feature and others don't, and basically how you do it. So basically this is a test feature, and for some people they might have the rotate button here, or if they press and hold onto the block itself, they can decide which direction they want to place it. Now it is a test feature, so usually it is Block Blast testing to see how the feature is received, and also it's not going to be available for everyone. So how you can do this, sometimes it's going to be available for Android users. So if you have an Android phone, then you can use an Android phone to make use of this feature. But like I said, it's not going to be available to everyone, and it's just going to be sent over to specific people so they can rotate blocks. And another reason why some might be able to rotate, or you might be able to rotate blocks in Block Blast, is because of a specific mode here. So we have the classic mode and the adventure mode, but sometimes you will have different modes which can let you rotate blocks, and the game mode will vary. As you can see, there are some variations. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.